Hey guys, welcome to Destined Tarot. Today we are going to look what will be the outcome of rest of 2020. So we have three piles today. Pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3. So before we go to our reading, I just want to say while I was shuffling these two cards, Strength and Ace of Cups. These were like jumping out of the shuffling. So I have a very positive feeling about this reading today. So the present energy, we all have to have strength, okay, so that very soon we are going to have this new beginning. So now you can choose from the pile 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, let's go to pile 1. Pile number 1, who have chosen this amethyst crystal. These are your oracle messages. We'll see after some time. Okay, Knight of Wands, Seven of Wands, the Sun card. Okay, the Lovers, the Hermit card. It may look like this. The World card and the Lovers. Very nice cards you have got, pile number 1. So with this card, I really feel your journey was a little bumpy, whoever chosen pile number 1. So your immediate past is like you had a road of little bumpy road, not knowing what to do, and you were like a blank. You didn't know what to do, where to go, and for some reason uh, you have traveled also. Some of you have traveled, and um, and within the unknowns you have lost what is meant for you. So in the journey of unknown you have lost something or other. Okay, you lost something. So for that reason in your present you are still struggling. Maybe it is for job, or some of you maybe you are giving interviews, having discussion with others, but not yet you have received something good. Okay, but the good news is you are going to get it very soon. Very soon you are going to get it. Some of you may feel like a victim. Some of you have faced something which is not good for you, which is not meant for you. Even though you were in a very good state, you were doing your work, still you face something. Um, Somebody has done wrong with you. Okay, but the long awaited success is coming. Okay, and see the sun card, guys. This is really feeling good. This is a feel good energy. Okay, definitely you are going to have success, and lot of major arcanas: sun card, lovers card, world card, hermit card. Okay, so uh, even though you are feeling clueless right now, but definitely success is going to come, and a time has come where you have to make a decision. A time has come you have to find out what your uh, heart desires. Don't choose your duty. Soon you will find what, if you follow your desires, if you follow your passion, you are going to achieve something that is really will mean the core for you, really mean the source of happiness for you. Just follow your passion, follow the what your heart really desires. Whatever a wild idea you have, whatever wild idea, just bring that into action. Okay, okay, it should not harm others, but whatever you have in your mind, any creative energy you have, something or other, just with the lovers card you just bring your heart desires into action, and eventually we will get this. This is the sun card. Very nice reading. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for you guys. And whatever comes your way, you will have an opportunity to choose success, choose joy, choose um, where you really feel your heart is. Then only you will get this sun card. I'm repeating this two or three times because this is coming to me uh, very clearly, that you have to choose happiness, you have to choose your strength, you have to choose your passion, and eventually you will go to the sun card. Okay, so let's see what is your oracle cards are saying. See, follow your energy, follow your joy, sorry. Life's journey, a tree in winter. Follow your joy. Life's journey, on this journey that is uniquely yours, follow your inner compass, follow your star, then you will always be shown the path that's right for you. What I was saying, guys, what I was saying just before few seconds, if you choose your journey. Okay, you choose, definitely you're going to get success. The tree in winter, a tree in winter may look dead. In your current situation you may feel like victimized, okay, but go with the flow, it will bloom and grow again in the spring. All life reflects this miraculous cyclic process. Be a little bit patient, trust and love. Okay, follow your joy. Whatever gives you happiness, just follow it, and definitely you're going to get success in the remaining 2020. God bless you. Pile 1, bye bye, take care. Pile number 2, hello pile number 2, welcome. If you have chosen this white stone, let's see what you have got. This is your oracle messages, we will read after some time. Okay, 2 of cups in reverse, astrologer in reverse, temperance in reverse. Okay, I'm coming. Page of cups, justice, judgment. Okay, got it. Just okay, pile number 2. For this pile, I strongly feel in recent past there was a huge turmoil in relationship, whatever the relationship is. Okay, with the 2 of cup reverse, I really feel whatever in the love relationship, or it may be any financial relationship with your partner, or any job relationship with your boss or something, it went on a turmoil. Okay, whatever was steady suddenly went for a turmoil. Okay, and due to this reason you felt very vulnerable. Being vulnerable is not bad, guys, you remember. Okay, sometimes this situation comes to us just to uh, the vulnerabilities eventually will make us strong. Okay, so due to this recent past, you are a little bit in the present you are a little bit discouraged. Okay, but don't worry, those previous disappointment are also suddenly pops up in your mind suddenly in between. But soon this with this justice card, you are going to get justice. Whatever happened to you, the reason because of what you are feeling vulnerable, this is going to go, and justice is going to come to you. Okay, whatever wrong has done to you is going to be right. In the coming days you may feel a little bit frustrated. Okay, patience, may you lose your patience, but don't worry. As I said, with the judgment card and the justice card, definitely you are going to get your justice. Whatever judgment have done poorly for you is going to be correct. Okay, you just have to have patience, a little bit of patience, and trust me. uh, the time you have given to you, you are going to get success before that. Okay, before that, before your assumption of time, you are going to get success. This 2020, remaining 2020 is going to be beautiful if you have a little patience and trust. Okay, new potential energy, as I said in the earlier beginning of the my reading, these two cards popped up. Okay, strength and ace of cups. There is new beginning, there is a, with the judgment card, the potential new beginning is there. Okay, and this ace of cup clearly screaming that new beginning is coming. Okay, you just have to have a little bit of strength, have a little bit of patience with you. Okay, no worry. Lot of major arcanas, guys, and which says that divine is taken charge of yours. Okay, God is looking after you. The higher energy, higher soul spirits are looking after you. So you don't need to have, you don't have to be worried. Everything is going to be good. Let's see your. Okay, there are two messages for you. Share your dreams. Oneness. Share your dreams and don't be afraid to share your heart too. Okay, the more you love, the bigger your heart gets, and the more joy can flow through its chambers. Very nice. Oneness. We all are expression of the divine nature. What did I just say, guys? Divine has taken charge with this major arcana. See how many major arcanas you have got. One, two, three, four. Okay, divine has taken charge. You, we, and our divine are one part of this nature. Okay, each living being is a reflection of that self. Real love becomes so much easier when this is understood. Okay, real love, see love. You face a little bit of disheartened with these two of cups reverse. Okay, you felt a little bit of disappointment with the love situation or partner situation, but don't worry. See your guidance, understand, divine is looking for you. Everything will come. Okay, see, one person, one bird. See the grace, just accept the situation with a grace. Okay, in your present, don't lose your patience. What did I say? Don't lose your patience. Okay, everything is going to come to you. Judgment, justice is going to come here. Okay, thank you pile number 2. Wish you all the best, may God bless you. Okay, pile number 3, who have chosen this beautiful green color stone. Let's see your cards. Judgment. Okay, astronomer of spear in reverse. Okay, lady of wands. Great beginning. The sun card. The wheel of fortune. Okay, the ace of wands. Guys, see, what did I said? We got ace of cups. It was jumping when I was shuffling, strength when I was shuffling. Okay, so, with the judgment card and the sun card here, I really feel in the recent past, some way, somehow, some of you have got misjudged. Okay, um, someone or in your workplace or in your relationship, someone has misunderstood you, misjudged you. Due to that, you have lost your sun. It means you lost your core happiness. Okay, lost your core thing, because sun is the source of everything, right? Sun is the source. So with the misjudgment of other, maybe you lost your job or maybe you lost someone in your life. Okay, and due to that, with this reverse astronomer of spears, this reverse card, it means somewhere you are doubting yourself because someone just misjudged you. You are doubting yourself. Okay, sometime, not always. Okay, so you think maybe you'll not get any job, or that person will never understand you, or something like that. Something you are doubting, your self doubt is there a little bit. Sometimes you are becoming angry. Sometimes you think you have to take a revenge on that. Okay, very fluctuating energy is there, and you feel restless. With this card, I feel you are feeling restless right now. Okay, um, you feel like I have to do something very soon. You are feeling that I have to get what I have lost here very soon. I have to work, I have to get it. Your energy is like that right now. And to your uh, lucky day for you and lucky reading for you, see, with this card, with this lady of wand card, it means whatever you have lost, whatever you're struggling to get right now, you're restlessly thinking about what you have lost here, you're going to get it with this card. See, ace of wands, new beginning is coming with the ace of, and I am hearing a strong enterprises quality. So if you have lost your job here, you are thinking about something new of your own, when you will be your own boss. Okay, So with this, in this card also, she is a very good leader. Okay, so even if you get a new job, you will be a very good leader. Or if you, even if you will start a new enterprises, you will run it very successfully. So it's time to embrace the new beginning. Okay, I really feel a strong enterprises new beginning and a strong relationship new beginning. Maybe you will get a new beginning in your um, mm, job life, or you will get a strong relationship, partner relationship in your business also. I feel that. So okay, so look for that partner where you can both start something for you. Let's look at your oracle cards. Set yourself free. See, from your job, if you lost your job, you are going to start your enterprises. Set yourself free. Be your own boss. Okay. Set yourself free from old thought patterns. See, because you lost here, you are feeling restless here. You are feeling restless here. I said you. I told you. Okay, those negative beliefs you have to leave. Okay, all they do is clip your wings and keep it. See what I said, sometimes you feel like taking revenge, but no, you have to set yourself free. You have to cut your wings from that negative pattern, and you have now, then only you can get your true wings and you can fly. Okay, reflections. See what I said, if the move till the moment you will have negativity inside you, that those things will be reflected to you, reflected to you. Okay, the moment you will be like this, from this to this, then this, see the calmness, the calm, how calm is there. Life tends to mirror back us to be, sorry, life tends to mirror back to us our internal experiences through the subtle signals we send out. If you want to change your world, first change your mind. Okay, change your mind, then change will come, wheel of fortune. Okay, change will come when you will change your thought pattern. Okay, and where love goes, life flows. See what I said, if you lost your love here, okay, be the love, then life flows. Be the love, then your love will come to you. Just don't search for love out of, outside of you. Be that one. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, pile 3. It was a nice reading. All my piles were very very nice. Wish you all the very best for remaining 2020. May god bless you. See you in the next reading. Thank you so much. Bye bye.